Staying on top of projects while managing a team can feel like a juggling act. You've got deadlines, multiple tasks, and people to coordinate. But with the right strategies in place, you can keep everything on track without burning out. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to stay on top of projects while managing a team, so you can keep everything running smoothly and hit your targets every time. First, let's talk about setting clear expectations. One of the best ways to stay on top of a project is by making sure everyone knows exactly what's expected of them. Outline roles, responsibilities, and deadlines from the get-go. This creates a roadmap for your team, and when everyone is aligned, it's easier to stay on top of everything. Next, communication is key. Regular check-ins with your team ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. You don't need hour-long meetings, but a quick daily or weekly catch-up helps keep the momentum going. Plus, it gives you a chance to spot any issues early before they become bigger problems. Use tools that simplify your workflow. I've tested some of the most popular software for project management, but there's one I recommend for staying on top of projects. This software helps you organize tasks, track progress, and collaborate easily with your team. It keeps everything in one place, so you don't have to bounce between emails, chats, and spreadsheets. You can follow along with this software using the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel. Another key tip is to break down big projects into manageable tasks. Instead of overwhelming your team with a massive project, break it down into smaller bite-sized tasks with clear deadlines. This keeps everyone focused on one thing at a time, rather than feeling lost in the bigger picture. Plus, crossing off smaller tasks helps build momentum. Delegation is also crucial. As a project manager, you need to trust your team. If you're doing everything yourself, you'll quickly become overwhelmed. Delegate tasks based on your team's strengths and expertise, and avoid micromanaging. Trust that they'll get it done. Tracking progress in real time is another essential. Use project management tools to monitor the progress of each task and the overall project. This helps you catch any delays early on and allows you to make adjustments if needed. Lastly, don't forget to celebrate wins. Big or small, take time to acknowledge the hard work your team has put in. This boosts morale and encourages continued productivity. Now, let's wrap this up with a quick revision. To stay on top of projects while managing a team, start by setting clear expectations, maintaining regular communication, using the right software, breaking down projects into smaller tasks, delegating effectively, tracking progress, and celebrating your team's wins. Key takeaway: staying on top of projects isn't about doing everything yourself. It's about setting clear expectations, using the right tools, and trusting your team. By doing this, you can stay organized and focused, and your projects will run more smoothly. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we discussed. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.